What if Spider-Man started cooking?
No big deal. AumSum is the best cook.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Spider-Man started cooking, our kitchens may get filled with spider webs. Secondly, if Spider-Man started cooking, spiders may actually bring the dinner to us. Thirdly, Spider-Man is super fit. If Spider-Man started cooking, we may get placed on a strict diet. Lastly, if Spider-Man started cooking, even other superheroes may join Spider-Man. What if aliens became our boss?
No ways. AumSum is the boss of everyone.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if aliens became our boss, aliens as well as the employees might never understand what each one of them is saying. Secondly, if aliens became our boss, even employees may start coming to office in spaceships. Thirdly, if aliens became our boss, all the employees may now have to wear green-colored clothes. Lastly, if aliens became our boss, employees who do not work may be shifted off to a different planet. What if aliens shifted to the moon?
No problem. AumSum will sort the issue out.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if aliens shifted to the moon, instead of a simple white color, our moon may now start resembling a disco light. Secondly, if aliens shifted to the moon, astronauts may no longer be allowed to land on the moon. Thirdly, if aliens shifted to the moon, moon may get overconfident. It may refuse to revolve around Earth. Lastly, if aliens shifted to the moon, aliens may keep the moonlight for themselves. Our nights may become super bright. What if Superman started driving?
No big deal. AumSum's car is super fast.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Superman started driving, Superman may drive super fast. We may struggle to hold on to the car. Secondly, if Superman started driving, Superman may drive so fast we may actually end up in outer space. Thirdly, if Superman started driving, instead of repairing the car, Superman may just carry the car on his shoulders. Lastly, if Superman started driving, all other superheroes may also start driving. What if Hulk started dancing?
Ha ha ha! That would be so funny.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Hulk started dancing, our house may come down crashing. Secondly, if Hulk started dancing, entire planet Earth may actually start shaking. Thirdly, if Hulk started dancing, Hulk may actually win the Best Dancer award. Lastly, if Hulk started dancing, other superheroes may also start dancing. What if aliens drove cars?
No big deal. AumSum's car is the biggest.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if aliens drove cars, humans may start driving even bigger cars. Secondly, if aliens drove cars, birds may start driving alien spaceships. Thirdly, if aliens drove cars, traffic cops may shift to a different planet. Lastly, if aliens drove cars, aliens may start driving weirdly shaped cars.